Hello everyone. So today I'm adding my voice also in this video since this design is a little bit difficult. Okay, so let's start. Firstly, we will create this circle and this circle. These two circles we will create. The radius of this circle is 10 and the radius of this circle is 9. Okay, so let's start from here. Create new and millimeters. Okay, so now zoom in a little bit and right click on this model and erase it. Okay, after that go to this option which is called scenes. Go here and then click here in this option and then click here. After that you can cancel it. Okay, so here we can start creating our circles. Okay, so let's start creating the left one. So I'll take circle from here. This one is circle. I'll take the circle from the center point. The radius of the circle was 10, so we have to zoom it a little bit. As you can see from here, these are the dimensions and you can see the dimensions are very large. Okay, so we have to zoom in. So I'll go to the center and then I will use the scroll button of mouse, okay, to zoom in. Now you can see it is fine. Okay, so I'll write 10 and enter. So this is a circle of 10 radius. After that I have to create the second circle. Okay, but to create the second circle I should have the distance between these two circles. Okay, for that you can come here again and you can see two things. First thing is that the distance of these two circles are not 70. Okay, the distance of this point and this point is 70. Okay, so the total distance is 70 plus 2 which is here and plus 2 again, so it is 2.06, but we'll take it 2. Okay, so it becomes 74. The total distance between these two circles are 74. Okay, now the second thing is that they are not on the center line. Okay, this dash line is a center line. Okay, but you can see the center of these circles, which is this point, this is not on the center line, and even this one is also not on the center line. Okay, so for that what we can do is we have to consider these two dimensions also. Okay, which is 1.71 upward and 2 downward. Okay, so it means first we have to take a line so that we can create some reference points. So first we take this as a first point, then we have to go up. Okay, for the left one we have to go up 2 millimeter like this, and right side we have to go 74. Okay, and after that we have to go again upward 2 millimeter. Okay, so this one is the center point of the second circle. Okay, now we'll take circle again and uh, we'll take this as a center point and we'll create the second circle which was 9 millimeter in radius and enter. And also we have the center line, so this line, this black line is our center line. Okay, so we'll keep this line. So we'll go again to the design and we'll see what we have to create second. So next what we have to create is we can create these two lines which are connecting these circles. Okay, so the dimension of these circles are given here. This is 8 millimeter apart, these two lines are. Okay, so these are 8 millimeter apart. It means from center the upper line should be 4 millimeter and the lower line should be 4 millimeter. So the total is 8. Okay, first we will take any point over here. Okay, so let's take this point only. Okay, so we will go 4 millimeter upward and then I will go straight. Again I can go straight up till here, or I can stop here somewhere. Okay, now since the whole distance was 8 millimeter, okay, so I can take directly 8 millimeter instead of clicking here and again creating the second line. Okay, I can create the 8 millimeter line directly. So I'll do this, and again I'll go straight up till here. You can go up till any distance. Okay, it should be just inside this circle. Okay, so I'm going up till here. That's it. Now I'll require eraser to erase these extra lines, this one also, again this one and this one, so you can see, and this one also. Now we have two lines. Okay, and yeah, we don't have this curve. Okay, and this curve, this curve, this curve, so we will make these curves after some time. Okay, before creating this curve, what we have to do is we have to create these slots. Okay, left side and right side. So the dimension of these slots are also given, 8 millimeter apart, and the right one is 7.2 millimeter apart, and they are at 45-degree angle. Okay, this one also and this one also, and they have a curve also. Okay, like this, and this one, and the radius of this curve is 9. So we have to create this curve also. Okay, so let's create these lines first, then we will create the curve. Okay, okay, so now firstly, to create these lines we will require a center point, which is this. Okay, this one and this one. So let's create this line first. Okay, so we have a tool called protector to create these type of things. So okay, so to create this 45-degree line, first I should have that point. Okay, I don't have that point right now. Okay, so let's take line command again, and from this point I'll take 2 millimeter, and I have this point right now, so I can connect these 2 points. Again same here, from this point 2 millimeter, and now I will connect these 2 points, and after that I can erase everything else like this. Okay, and again I can erase everything else. So these 2 points are our next points, now from where we have to create 45-degree angle. So now I can use protector. So I'll take this point as a center point for protector, and I'll take this one as a reference, and since this line is a reference for us, so it will not be 45-degree, it will be 135-degree, and enter. Okay, similarly from here also, this line is a reference, so 45 is this. Okay, but we have to go this side, so it should be 135. Okay, so now we have to create uh, some more straight lines. Okay, so for that I will take protector again, and I will create this 90-degree line, or we can say temporary axis. Okay, again I will create a 90-degree temporary axis for our future lines. Okay, like this. Now we can create these lines of 4 millimeter, which will be completely straight. Okay, again this line will be completely straight, and we can write 4 and enter. Okay, again you can see we are not able to create a very straight line. Okay, without protector, so again we will require protector. So I'll take protector, I'll take this point as a center, and this point as a reference, and again 90-degree. So you can see now again we have a temporary axis. Similarly I'll do this with all the lines. Okay, So what I can do with the help of these temporary lines is that I can create two straight lines of any length. Again, there is no matter of length over here. Okay, the line should be big enough to cross this point only. Okay, the length of lines could be anything. Again, from the here, line of any length, and from here also. Now after this, what we have to do is, see, so these curves, as I said earlier, are 9 millimeter in radius. Okay, so since they are 9 millimeter in radius, it means their center point from this point should be 9 millimeter apart. Okay, similarly for this one also. So it means we can go 9 millimeter from this point like this. Okay, I'll write 9 manually, and again from here I'll go 9 millimeter this side. Okay, it means this is the center point for that curve. Okay, and another thing we know is that curve has a radius of 9 millimeter. Okay, so we can create a circle anywhere of 9 millimeter radius, and again here we can create a circle of 9 millimeter radius like this. Okay, and after that we can use a move command. Okay, so with the help of this, let's move them back again, and I can use the circumference of the circle also. Okay, since I know the angle is correct, so I'll take this. Okay, it's correct. So now I'll use eraser, and after that we just have this slot left. Okay, which is 4 millimeter apart, and the distance is 36 from the center of this curve to the center of this right curve. Okay, so firstly I will create a line. See, as I take the pencil command to this point, it becomes blue. It means that this is the midpoint or the center point. Okay, so I can go 18 to the left side, and from the center point I can go 18 to the right side also. Okay, so I'll take eraser to erase these lines. So this is our 36 millimeter line. Okay, now I can create two circles of 2 millimeter radius. You can see here. Okay, 2, enter, and again 2, enter. Okay, so now I have these two circles. Now I will create these straight lines, and I will join this line till here. Okay, sorry, first I will create these lines. Okay, now I can connect these lines. Okay, now take eraser and erase everything which is inside it, even these lines also. See, now we have a slot also. Okay, now only one thing is left, which is these curves. Okay, so these curves are not very important. Okay, and in SketchUp especially, it is very difficult to create these curves. Okay, we don't have any tool to directly create these curves. So to create these curves, what we have to do, we have to create circles of radius 8 and radius 30. Radius 8 and radius 30. Okay, so I will take a circle, did again radius 30. Yeah, so now I have a circle. What I have to do now is I have to use hit and trial method. Okay, which means you have to take this point and try to attach it with both the surfaces at the same time. Okay, it should be attached to both the surfaces at the same time. You can see it's not connected over here, it's connected over here only. Okay, so I have to connect it here again. Okay, so this type of problem occur. Okay, so that is why it is very difficult to create these type of stuff in SketchUp Online. Okay, this side is 8 millimeter, and again we'll use move command to move this circle somewhere near this. Okay, and again still now it's not connected. Okay, again and you can see here we have completed our design. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you.